Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video, as you can see in the title, I am going to be sharing with you guys my side hustles that I received money for. So as you can see, I did Uber and I got my first paycheck from YouTube. So I want to say thank you to every one of you that come consistently on my channel and support each and every one of my videos. Y'all show me love, y'all encourage me, y'all push me, and I appreciate that so much. And the amount that I got was so, I was just like, what? Wait, hold on, for real? But I know to some of you might be like, oh, you know, that's just a little bit. But you know what? That little bit helps me, and it's going to help me in every which way. And I want to share with you what I am doing with the amount that I did get. And this is just my first one, and you know, and we'll see what the future holds. But for right now, I'm going to share with you what I'm doing with this money. And as you can see, I made my mama hustle vinyl. I don't know what to say, but I'm just so excited, guys. But let's get right into this. So I did Uber, and I only did Uber in August, which was August 9th through August 16th. And the amount that I did was $34.64, but I rounded it off to 35. So that leaves me with a total after taxes, because I took $7 out of taxes, and that leaves me with $28. Woohoo! So with that, let me take out the $7, 6, 7. This is for my taxes. Let me get my, oh, where did it go? I just had it. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it there. Oh, here go my book. So this is gonna be for my Uber Eats taxes, because you guys, you gotta take out your taxes. So this was for Instacart. I'm gonna just put that here, and then I'm going to write in here, because your girl been slacking. I'm just gonna put 816 on here. I'm gonna put taxes 7, and then I'll do that later. So that's for that. And then, so that leaves me with $28. So let's take out the $28, and with the $28, 25, 26, 27, 28. With this, I am going to be putting this, I'm putting 20 into savings. Well, I'm gonna wait till I finish everything, and then I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do with this. So that's how much I stood with, was $28. And then I'm using a different section for YouTube. So for YouTube, I got a total of $115.01. Oh, go me, go me, go me. So with that being said, I'm taking out my taxes, and my taxes for this is $23. The 1 cent, I left it in there because it's 1 cent, and I can grow. It could grow from and being in my account. So it's $23. So I stay with $92. Yay! Okay, so with $92, I am going to, oh wait, let me take out the taxes for that. So that's 21, 22, 23, and that is for my YouTube. So that leaves me with 92. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92. So that leaves me with $92. So with $92, what I'm doing is I am, so with YouTube and with Uber Eats, I stay with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 120. And this is how, I know I have it on here, back here, but I think I'm just going to do everything here on what I'm going to do with the money. So I am going to be stuffing my savings, which I'm going to be putting $20. My vet e-fund, oh, I forgot the N. It's going to be 20. My e-fund, which is my emergency fund, is going to be 20. And then there's birthdays coming up. A lot of birthdays coming up. So it's going to be 25. And then shit happens is going to get $1. So what I did with the $34, which is the remaining from the $120, I bought some stuff that I want to donate to my old, well, the elementary school I went to. So that's going to be a video that you're going to see up next. That I bought some stuff to donate. I will not be showing me giving the donation, only because I don't feel like that should be something to be, you know, making a video of. But I am going to show you what I did buy with the $34. So that leaves me with nothing. And let me get my calculator, which I am very happy with. I am very happy with my decision. So I had 120. I hope you guys can see. I'm sorry I'm so slanted. It's just in the position that I'm in and the space that I'm in. So it's take away 20, 40, 60, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86. So take away 86. Leaves me with $34. Take away 34. Leaves me with 0. So that's it. That's what I did with my Uber and my YouTube money, guys. I just felt like I had to give back, because without you guys watching and you know, I am going to be giving back on my channel as well. Just stay tuned for that. It might be during the month of December, but I want to give back as well on this channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I'll be seeing everyone in my next video.